What up, world? It's your homie Mag 357 Guns. We got another eBay pickup for September 2019. Today is actually my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me, September 16th. Okay, so let's talk about the box that these came in. I said we got a Jordan pickup. So to let you know how cruddy this is about to be, this is an Adidas box. So I can just imagine what condition, I got a bird, the shoes are going to be in. So I don't care nothing about this box, to be honest with you. And I think it's the funniest thing in the world because people will do whatever. But you got to get it shipped off, so I'm not mad at him. You know what I'm saying? I'm not mad at him. Yeah. Pretty. This is what I was talking about. So let's just take a look at these Jordan 12 UNC. It's gonna need a reglue. It's gonna need a reglue. Yeah. But overall, other than needing a reglue, which I got two shoes that need a reglue, I can make this come back to a good condition. And in the drying process, I'm gonna have to. I may not even have to care, but I don't want it to keep ungluing. These shoes have been used. You hear me? I can get all of this yellowing or whatever this is off this white all the way around the shoe. Any nasty stains, I know the camera may not be picking them up very well. Any of these nasty stains will come out. And when I get a chance, I'm gonna have to order some barred cement super stick, and that's what I'm gonna reglue with. I had some stuff called goop. It worked on some shoes. On some shoes, it was terrible. So I'm not gonna. It may work on these, but I'm gonna try to. I may try a little small section, but for the most part, I'm gonna really just need that barge because it looks like it works so well. And everybody in the shoe rejuvenation, restoration world swears by it. So anyway, there is some flaws and, reglue action. So I'm gonna have to be careful with that. But it'll go back down without no problem. There is some cosmetic right there where the reglue is gonna have to happen. And I know this is that reflective right. So yeah, on that particular shoe, that's what you got going on with it. This is a Jordan 12 as well, the UNC colorway. Big scuff. Same thing with the reglue. He must have tried the washing machine on or something. But this one is not as bad. But the scuffs on this one, the scuffs are real tough on this one. But he really didn't expound on that, but that's cool. And then I don't know if this is dog poo or what that is. But it'll all come off. It may need a repaint on certain spots, like back here. But other than that, I'm gonna do my best to bring this back. I mean, I knew it was gonna be cruddy, but it's fixable. and I will be working on fixing it with some of that Angelus paint. I mean, they tied a crazy knot in this. People do the damnedest thing. They must knew I was gonna do a review on it. But at the end of the day, I'm happy with the purchase. You know, I got some insoles that'll go in here, but these shoes have been used. I mean, dude done went through them in these. I'm gonna try to get them to come back as good as I can. So the second thing we're gonna do is gonna open this up. This is a little item that I won for $1. For a little $1. Some shades. It's crazy. Coming all the way from China. Already. So at the end of the day, it's your homie Mag 357 Guns. Live, learn, live, and grow.